we're going to take a look at the pull up on the right manoeuvre. Now the pull up on the right manoeuvre is exactly the same as you're pulling up on the left routine. However, you need to put the car onto the wrong side of the road. So we're going to need to do a little bit more observation and a little bit more understanding of what's happening with the lane in front. Try and treat it like a normal right turn, where we're not going to go across that traffic until there's a gap big enough for us to take us into the side road. So our usual routine when we're moving away: clutch down, first gear, big observations, looking all the way around the car, signals on, blind spots checked, and then we move away as we're coming along. So the examiner's asked me to pull up on the right. So I've found the spot that I'd like to stop at. So I'm going to mirror check and signal right. I'm going to check the traffic ahead of me. Nothing's coming up the lane, so I'm going to take the car over. And then I'm going to bring the car round and pull up nice and parallel with this right-hand curb and bring the car to a nice stop. The examiner will then ask you to reverse backwards in a nice straight line, avoiding any contact with the curb or drift into the middle of the road until he asks you to stop, which will roughly be around 2 to 3 car lengths of travel, okay? So clutch down, into reverse. I'm finding the bottom of my biting point so the car's ready to move. I'm going to start my observations. Now during this manoeuvre, if we have anything happening in the lane in front of us, we need to stay stationary, okay? So now the road's cleared, I'm going to find my biting point. I'm going to be looking around and I'm just going to take my handbrake off and I'm just going to control this reverse with a nice slow crawl. Now because I've stopped nice and straight and I took the time at the start to be straight with the curb, hopefully I don't have to do much work with this steering wheel now as I follow the curb. Once again, we can use our little blind spot mirror and we can just keep our eye on where that curb is. And my observations are, is my curb okay? Is there anything I need to deal with from the front? Is everything clear behind me? And then I'm going to continue with that manoeuvre until I'm asked to stop. Then it'll be clutch down and a nice gentle brake. Handbrake, neutral, rest your feet. Now a little tip for you during this manoeuvre: don't try and pull over and stop at the same position, okay? What you want to do is find your stop position, but then move the car over towards the curb a good 10 meters before that position in which you've stopped. If you do that, you'll give yourself a little bit more time and a little bit more room on the road to actually give the car the chance to be nice and straight. So after you've stopped the car and secured the car, the examiner will then ask you to rejoin the flow of traffic. So we're going to do our all-round observations again. Clutch down into first gear. Our usual routine when we're moving away, however this time we need to check everything on the left hand side of the car because that's the direction in which we're taking the car. So we're going to mirrors, we're going to signal, we're going to blind spot, we're going to walk the car out and then drive away. And everything should be okay.